Okay, let's first talk about a Chapter 7 and what they call the means test. Means test is really a test that you do, your means, your ability to pay your debts. Prior to 2005, anybody could file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. If you said you're bankrupt, you are, regardless of the amount of money you made. So let's say you make $200,000 a year. You could still qualify for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Well, in 2005, the Bankruptcy Reform Act, Congress said, wait a minute, that doesn't seem quite so fair. Somebody earning a very large amount of money can still file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. We don't want that to happen. So, Congress in 2005 put into the bankruptcy code a requirement that you do a test to see how much you make, and if you make more than the average person, you don't qualify for the Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Presently, the amount an individual is allowed to make, one person not married with no children, is $43,000. A married couple, two people, husband and wife only, is $53,000. One child is $57,000. Now those amounts fluctuate a little bit based on payments you might have for a mortgage or for a car payment or for a charitable contribution. So that amount does change. But generally speaking, if you are an individual earning more than $43,000, you're expected to file the Chapter 13 bankruptcy. You earn too much money, you're considered rich or make more money than the average person, therefore you don't qualify for the Chapter 7. Other qualifications, of course, you need to be a United States citizen. Very often you can file a bankruptcy but have a green card pending your citizenship, but those who are not U.S. citizens do not qualify for United States bankruptcy. Also, specifically for the state of Florida, you must be a resident of the state of Florida to file in the Southern District of Florida at least 6 months. If you have lived in another area, say North Carolina, for the majority of a year, you would have to use North Carolina, what they call exemption laws. And if you haven't lived in the state of Florida at least 6 months, you can't even file in the state of Florida.